Hey, what's going on? Brian Parody Bones to Bulk. All right, why does it look like I just raided the condiment aisle? Because I did. So we think often that when we start eating healthy, everything's got to be bland. We got to get rid of all our condiments. Nothing's going to have flavor ever again, right? Wrong. You can flavor up your food with a lot of good stuff. And this is just like condiment stuff. This isn't even getting into spices. Don't even get me started on spices. So, obviously things need to go, like salad dressings, which are extremely high in calories, mayonnaise. There's just certain things you don't want to include if you're keeping track of your calories, getting your fat down, trying to eat healthier. But these are ones that I use literally some of them on a daily basis. So salsa, my go-to for just about everything. You cook some chicken, some rice, cut up some veggies, throw it in a bowl with some salsa and a little bit of lime juice, and it's perfection, literally. Another thing I love to do, again, put up some sirloin steak, like a lean cut, serve it over some rice, mix up some soy sauce, some mustard, a little bit of ginger and garlic. Again, have an amazing Asian bowl. Lime juice and garlic is always good to marinate your chicken in, gives it a lot more flavor. And then that's just stuff as far as like the cooking side. Then these are my dipping sauces. So this ketchup is a lower sugar one. There's a lot of them out there. This one's 15 calories per tablespoon, 2 grams of sugar. So pretty dang low, and they sell ones that are even lower than that. I love G. Hughes. He makes a ton of different dipping sauces. He also makes some salad dressings, but the barbecue sauce here, 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. The honey mustard is 20 calories per 2 tablespoons. I use them, again, almost on the regular for chicken. Just dip it in, give it a little bit more flavor. And then I found this lower calorie buffalo wing sauce. They have it in all different spicinesses. I don't even think that's a word, but it's really good as well. So don't feel like you're limited and that you can't ever enjoy anything flavorful again, because you can. Get creative with your condiments, mix stuff up with some spices to create sauces for different types of foods, and I'm telling you, it will be worth it. All right, if you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also in the description, I have a free meal plan. Click that link. It's delivered right to your inbox, easy peasy. And remember, above all else, you've got this.